Okay, good morning, everyone. Yes, am I audible? Okay. Okay, what about other students? Okay. So we'll start with the revision of chapter number 2. So from the chapter number 2, we have a list of questions. Okay. So we'll see that. But first, we'll go through with the chapter number 2. Okay. What is there inside this chapter number 2? So first, that is what is agility? Okay. This is related with agile development model. Okay. Or you can say agile software model. Now, what we have to do inside this project is first we have to start with the topic which is related with agile. So now, what is the response? What we need to do? So, what do you mean by agility? So, agile software development is a conceptual framework for software engineering that promotes your development iterations throughout the life cycle of project. Okay, life cycle of project, that means your all the phases, SDLC phases. Now, software development during one unit of time is referred to as an iteration, which may last from 1 to 4 weeks. So at least your one iteration will complete within 1 month, and it must have to start from first week to fourth week. Now, agile methods also emphasize working software as the primary measure of a progress. Now, now, what do you mean by agility, right? So, it is effective communication among all stakeholders. Okay, so you can see this for one particular problem which is mentioned here, everyone having that different perspective related with that problem. Okay, so it's on, you can say, ideas, person by person they can communicate with each other and they can discuss the problem solution. So drawing the customer onto the team as well as eliminate the us and them attitude. So what you have to do is customer as well as the developer team, they all have to work together. Now, organizing a team so that it is in control to perform the work. Okay, so what we have to do, we have to manage some organizational concept we have to implement over here, like our top management, then project manager, then team leader, then senior developer, then junior developer, and if you have any taster department, then you may enter those names over here, right? So level by level we have to form a team and we have to work together. Now, what are the principles to achieve the agility? Okay, so these are the principles you have to enlist, and uh, according to the questions marks requirement, you have to mention it. Okay, so our highest priority is to satisfy the customer through early and continuous delivery of valuable software. Okay, so what you have to do is you can do one thing with me, you can you can mention selected points from each and every sentence. Okay, so what you will do, either you can mention those points that satisfy the customer, through continuous delivery of software. Okay. Second, welcome changes requirement is allowed late in development. So changes requirement is also available. That means you have to accept those changes. Third, delivery working software frequently from a couple of weeks to a couple of months with a preference to the shorter time scale. So deliver working software frequently. So delivery is the most important. Within a week or month. Business people and developers must work together on a daily basis throughout the project. Now build project around a motivated individuals. So give them the environment and support they need and trust them to get the job done. That means आपको उसे क्या देना होगा, environment provide करना होगा, support करना होगा, as well as उस पर trust रखना होगा कि yes you can do your job very well. Then the most efficient and effective method of conveying the information to and within a development team is face to face conversion. Okay. Now, working software is a primary measure of a software. Working software. Then the sponsors, developers, and users should be able to maintain a constant pace identity. Indefinitely. Okay, indefinitely आपको वो चीज़ तो करनी ही होगी, वो तो for sure है, ठीक है. Then next is continuous attention to technical excellence and a good design enhance agility. So आपकी design as well as your technical work will enhance your agility process. Simplicity, the art of maximizing the amount of work not done is essential. Okay. आपको ठीक से वर्क करना होगा सिंपली एज वेल एज मैक्सिमाइजिंग द अमाउंट ऑफ वर्क नॉट डन. ठीक है, मतलब कि कितना वर्क बाकी है वो हमें देख के करना होगा. Then the best architecture requires design emerge from self-organizing team. So that means best architecture requirements and design emerge. Okay. Then at regular intervals, the team reflects on how to become more effective, then tunes and adjust its behavior accordingly. Then, so that key points must be there in your principles. Okay. Now, what are the key assumptions? So it's a difficulty in predicting the changes of requirements and customer priorities. Now, for many types of software design and construction and interworld, what you have to do? So, analysis, design, construction, and testing are not as predictable as we might like. Okay, so वो सारे key assumptions हो गए. Simple design as well as small to medium size team. What are the process of this agile? So that is simple thing. No need to discuss that. Yes, manifesto for agile software development. Okay. So what are the manifesto or what are the points you need to mention? So first, you must have to follow some iterative process. This figure is important. Then individuals and interactions rather than a processes and tools. That means आपको सबके साथ communication करना होगा. Development of working software. आप यहाँ पे कुछ मॉडल रेडी करोगे, कोलैबोरेशन विद द कस्टमर और क्लाइंट, उसके साथ आप कोलैबोरेशन करके चेक करोगे कि ये जो प्रोसेस जो वर्किंग सॉफ्टवेयर आपने बनाया है एंड टेक द फीडबैक अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट. एंड फोर्थ वन, क्विकली रिस्पॉन्डिंग टू चेंज. मतलब कि यहाँ पे थर्ड स्टेज में अगर कुछ चेंजेस दिए गए हैं देन यू हैव टू मेक all those changes quickly and give the response to your customer one more time. That is your manifesto for agile software development. Okay, these are the difference between agile and waterfall. So you are aware with this, but try to recall some points related with agile and waterfall. Read it and then we'll move forward towards the next slide. If you have any doubt, you can ask. So which topic we had discussed till now? So today we had discussed agile. That means what is agility, agile manifesto, and the principle of agile. Okay. Then the difference between agile model and waterfall model. In which scenario agile methodology will not work. So in this kind of scenario, it might be possible agile will not work. So project plan and requirements are clear and unlikely to change. That means project की definition टाइम टू टाइम चेंज नहीं हो रही है. ठीक है, तो हमें ये नहीं सेलेक्ट करना होगा. अनक्लियर अंडरस्टैंडिंग ऑफ अजाइल अप्रोच अमोंग द टीम. ठीक है, सब सारी टीम को इंक्लूडिंग कस्टमर, आपके स्टेक होल्डर्स, सभी के लिए अजाइल मैथोडोलॉजी ठीक से वर्क करना चाहिए. आई मीन ठीक से अंडरस्टैंडेबल होना चाहिए. एंड द थर्ड वन, बिग एंटरप्राइजेज बाय टीम कोलैबोरेशन is not possible. So what you have to do in that scenario, like my client or my team is not present at the same location. They might be from remote location. They need to join online only. So what we will do, we cannot give the agile process model for that particular scenario. Then agile process model, extreme programming, adaptive software development, dynamic software development method, scrum model, feature driven development, agile modeling, and rational unified process. First, let's start with the extreme programming. What do you mean by extreme programming? So we have 5 values with us: communication, simplicity, feedback, courage, and respect. Okay, as well as the next is defines 4 framework activities, which is planning, design, coding, and testing. Okay, so this is the figure of extreme programming. So you are aware with this figure. We have a user stories, values, acceptance, test criteria, and iteration plan. प्लान क्या होगा? यूजर स्टोरेज प्लान होगी. यूजर स्टोरेज दैट मीन्स व्हाट, कि उसका जो कोई भी रिक्वायरमेंट गैदरिंग उसके पास है, उसके उससे जो भी प्लानिंग कर आई मीन जो भी इम्प्लीमेंट करवाना है, वो सारी प्लानिंग एक इटरेशन कैसे कंप्लीट होगा, वो सारी प्लानिंग फर्स्ट फेज में होगी. Then our second phase is simple design CRC card. What do you mean by CRC card? That is class responsibility collaborator. Okay, that type of cards we are trying to define. Now how it will look? So CRC will look like this. Template we have, that example we have. This is a customer as a class. These are the you can say methods or attributes. And order, that means your collaborator. That means this class might be communicate with this class. Okay. Now, what do you mean by a spike solution prototype? That means we are quickly define some solution and create the prototype over here. Then we are providing it to the next phase, and we are trying to do the pair programming. What do you mean by pair programming? So you are aware, pair programming related with all codes must be coded by 2 groups of people. Okay, 2 people can make a one group and they move ahead with the uh, project implementation code. Why we are using pair programming? कि अगर एक किसी और काम में busy है तो second person can understand the entire process and they can move forward for the next phase. ओके, कंटिन्यूअस इंटीग्रेशन दैट मीन्स आपको यूजर के साथ कंटिन्यूअस इंटीग्रेशन करना होगा. इफ समथिंग इज रॉन्ग यू हैव टू डू द रीफैक्टरिंग. Refactoring that means redesigning it and the move forward towards the टेस्टिंग प्रोसेस. सो यूनिट टेस्ट जितना भी बन चुका है उसको टेस्ट करने के लिए स्टार्ट कर दो. यूनिट बाय यूनिट वी आर ट्राइंग टू टेस्ट इट एंड देन acceptance testing. Okay, and final product release that means software increment, project velocity computed. Okay, project increment means software increment means what we are trying to go into the releasing phase and we are giving you the one incremental model of your particular software. Now, what do you mean by XP planning? See, this is extreme programming. So we have extreme planning, extreme design, and XP coding as well as the testing. So you can read it. Each and every phase will contain this detail. Okay. Agar pucha hai explain extreme programming, then you have to explain this all the phases till this. Okay, then we'll move forward with ASD. Okay, first try to read it, and if you want to note down, just do it. Then now next is XP design. Refactoring that means reduction in the redundancy as well as elimination of unused functionalities. Refactoring उसे आप redesign करोगे. This is coding, customer availability, collective code ownership, and paired programming. Collective code ownership means what? Everyone contributes new ideas. Collective, that means we are collecting all the ideas from the user or a coder, and then anyone can change any line of code to fix a bug. और अगर कुछ भी प्रॉब्लम हो रही है at the time of coding, whatever the ideas we have collected, we can change it, or you can say anyone can change it to fix that bug. But first you have to release your idea towards all the members. Then testing. You can see in each and every phase we have some collaborative work, or you can say we have some together work. You can see here stand up meetings in the extreme program. In a design, what we have spike solution as well as the refactoring. Okay, in a spike solution we have to give the answer for a tough technical problem, but we cannot only only single person cannot do that thing, so we require team. And in a coding also we have a collective code ownership as well as a paired programming. Here in the XP testing, we have something related with no overtime and continuous integration. So what is there inside continuous integration? That means एक task complete हो गया, next को उसे क्या करना होगा, interact करना होगा, उसके साथ communicate करके उसे unit by unit test करके merge करते जाना होगा. XP is also very time consuming and has a lot of refactoring involved in its procedure. Okay, these are the disadvantages. And constant involvement of the customer. Constant involvement of the customer, that means somehow sometimes customer is not ready to come to, not able to come to the meeting, right? So in that scenario our next step will not start. Okay, So there your agile might be failed. Then the lack of proper documentation creates the problems in a large products. When project members leave and the new members come in later. ठीक है, क्योंकि कोई एक चला गया और उसका काम किसी दूसरे को करना होगा, बट वो भी लेट आ रहा है इन दिस सिस्टम, ओके, तो इस प्रोजेक्ट के लिए वो कंप्लीट नहीं हो सकता है और आप उसे कॉप अप नहीं करवा सकते हो due to the lack of proper documentation. Now, ASD, that is Adaptive Software Development. Okay, this technique for building a complex software system using iterative approach. You can also see here working in collaboration and team self-organization. Okay, speculation, collaboration, and learning. What do you mean by speculation? So, adaptive cycle planning, mission statement, project constraints, basic requirements, and time boxed release plan. So, within this time span, we must have to be ready with this, and all those stuff we need to define here in the speculation. Okay. So, whenever we'll ask ASD in the examination, you have to mention what is speculation, collaboration, and learning phase. Okay, so speculation means what? Read it. So, overall planning of a project will decide here in this speculation phase. That customer's mission statement. So, what is the mission of the customer? What we need to add inside it? What would be the achievable our main goal or a target? Then, what would be the project delivery date? What would be the budget and the basic requirements of the project? Okay, that would be decided here in the speculation. Now, collaboration. So, what it means that we have to collaborate with the team members, okay, and we have to define some key factors. Okay, so assist each other without offense. That means we are not saying like आपने idea दिया था वो गलत है, ये नहीं हम use कर सकते, but we can say that your idea is correct but others are better than yours, so we'll select it. If it will not work, we will take the help from you also. Okay, then work hard. You have to work in a team, right? So you need to work hard. Then possess the required skill set. You have to show your skills towards your team members. So that kind of problem is happen, you may resolve them. Who wants to say something? Okay, then learning. So focuses groups, formal technical review, and postmortems. So what do you mean by postmortem? So team analysis its own performance and makes appropriate improvements. Okay. So उसके खुद का परफॉर्मेंस उसे वेरीफाई करना है और उसे देखना है. Accordingly, we have to change there or we have to make some changes inside this. Okay. Then what do you mean by Scrum model? So this are the Scrum principles. So there are a small working teams on the projects due to which there is a maximum communication and minimum overhead. Okay, communication ज़्यादा होगा but overhead कम होगा. The task of a people must be partitioned into small and clean packets. ठीक है, सबके कुछ ना कुछ roles and responsibilities हम दे देंगे. Okay. Now, are you aware with some of the keywords related with your Scrum model? What is there inside your Scrum model? Then please mention your answer here in the chat box. What do you mean by Scrum model? If I'm saying that Scrum model, explain in detail what are the key points of that Scrum model. if you can recall it. Okay, yes, sprint we have to do. Yes, daily meeting for 15 minutes. Okay, that is your stand up meetings. Very good. स्प्रिंट दैट मीन्स एक स्प्रिंट डिजाइन करने के लिए मिनिमम 1 मंथ, आई मीन मैक्सिमम 1 मंथ लगना चाहिए, मतलब कि कुछ हम डिजाइन करेंगे उस स्प्रिंट में. सो व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय स्प्रिंट? और कुछ और भी टर्म्स थे उसमें, ट्राई टू रिकॉल इट. कुछ बैकलॉग करके था. व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय बैकलॉग? व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय स्प्रिंट? Good. Sprint is the most important thing related with Scrum model. Sprint means your one iteration. Okay. So these are the principles of Scrum model. So there is no a big deal. You can read it and you can also connect it with this. Okay. This figure is must. Okay. So list of project requirements is known as backlog. Very good. So we have two types of backlogs. What do you mean by product backlog and what do you mean by sprint backlog? Okay, so product backlog means overall product or overall projects features we are mentioning over here in the product backlog. And in a sprint backlog, we are defining that we are working on some of the functionalities out of this entire functionality of product backlog. प्रोडक्ट बैकलॉग में से कुछ फीचर्स लेके हम उसकी स्प्रिंट बैकलॉग बनाएंगे, उसके टास्क बनाएंगे. Out of this 12, I will start this first sprint with feature number 1, 2, and 3 only. Okay, good. Now, what are the roles of a Scrum? Okay, if we'll ask that, explain the roles of Scrum model. So, किसके role आपको define करने होगे? Product owner, team, Scrum master, reviewer team and retrospective team. ओके, सो इन सब के रोल्स आपको डिफाइन करने होंगे. ओके, किसका क्या रोल है इस पूरे मॉडल. ओके, व्हाट इज द टास्क ऑफ टीम? Team selects how much to commit to do by sprint's end. That means sprint planning meeting parts 1 and 2. That means first part में हम ये 6 features को complete करेंगे. So this 6 features is my sprint backlog. That would be decided by team. Okay, यहाँ से start करेंगे and then we have to move forward towards this. Okay. Then product backlog refinement. What is the task of Scrum Master? Okay, so these are the roles of Scrum model. Product owner, Scrum Master, project team. Product owner, Scrum Master, project team. What is the task of product owner? Possibly product manager or a product sponsor. That would be decide the features, how many features we need to add, release the date that within this period we will try to implement it, and prioritization. That means we are defining कि कौन सी task priority में होनी चाहिए आपके लिए, and the budget. Now Scrum Master will define. It will typically a project manager or your team leader. Okay, now responsible for enacting Scrum values and practices. Okay, Scrum values and practices means what? कि उसमें हमें क्या implement करना है वो define होना चाहिए. Remove the impediments as well as the politics and keeps everyone productive. Politics means क्या? हमें किसी को ऐसा नहीं करना है कि आप कुछ मत करो, वो सारे नीचे टीम मेंबर्स वाले देख लेंगे. We have to divide the works among all the team members equally. Then what is the task of project team? So 5 to 10 members in a team. Teams are self-organizing. That means हमें ही team form करनी होगी. Cross-functional. That means we have to check the functions using क्वेश्चन आंसर, प्रोग्रामर्स, यूआई डिजाइनर एटसेट्रा. ठीक है, ये इम्प्लीमेंट करना है तो उस पर क्वालिटी एनालिस्ट को भी क्वेश्चन आंसरिंग करना होगा, प्रोग्रामर्स को भी क्वेश्चन आंसर्स करना होगा एंड यूआर डिजाइनर को भी क्वेश्चन आंसर करना होगा. क्यों? क्योंकि तो ही वो दिखा सकते हैं कि वी आर वर्किंग ऑन दिस टाइप ऑफ प्रोजेक्ट. नाउ मेंबरशिप शुड चेंज ओनली बिटवीन स्प्रिंट्स. ओके, अगर आपको मेंबरशिप चेंज करनी है कि किसी और को मुझे लेना है तो वो स्प्रिंट के बिटवीन ही हो जाना चाहिए. उसके बाद आप चेंजेस करो, फिर नई टीम डिजाइन करो, ऐसा नहीं चलेगा. नाउ प्रोडक्ट ऑनर, so managing the scrum backlog, stakeholders management as well as release management, okay, budget and all. Then scrum master, transparency, self organization, protecting the team, empiricism and scrum values as well as remove the blockers. Okay, what do you mean by remove the blockers? कि अगर कहीं पे बैकलॉग हो रहा है, okay, कहीं पे प्रोजेक्ट स्टार्ट नहीं हो रहा है या फिर कहीं पे रुक गया है, then you have to check this and you have to remove this. So here in the empiricism we can say like whatever is the past experience with the scrum master, okay, they can use their experience and try to implement their ideas based on the past experience, okay, because he is the or she is the master of this model, okay, scrum model master. So everything must be aware or everything should be aware by this scrum master. Then development team, so these are the key points and roles of this team members. Now sprint planning, how you are trying to plan it. So you have a team capacity, product backlog, business conditions, current product and technology with you. Then you have a sprint planning meeting with you, and inside that meeting you are trying to define sprint planning as well as sprint prioritization. So in prioritization we are select the goal that first we have to finish with this much task, then it is the sprint goal. Then what do you mean by sprint backlog? So according to the sprint planning, we will come up with the sprint backlog, and that is decide how to achieve the sprint goal. Create sprint backlog, that means task for 1 month and decide the time. Okay, what do you mean by backlog and sprint? So you are aware, just read it and let me know in case of any query.
model red model.
Okay, done with this. Move towards next slide. This is meetings and demo. Be careful whenever you are in the meeting or whenever you are in the class. Okay, be careful that your mic is not unmute mistakenly. Okay. Then rules, you are aware. Then DSDM, Dynamic Systems Development Methods. So what is there inside this? So it's related with you can say the important steps of this DSDM. Users are required to be involved actively and the teams are giving the power to make the decisions. Okay, time boxing, Moscow rules, and prototyping. Okay, uh, this is the 7 phases which we have to follow: pre-project feasibility, business study, functional model iteration, design and building iteration, and implementation with post-project activities. So what do you mean by feasibility study, business study, functional model, design and build iteration? Okay. So for that life cycle, we can build this something like uh, feasibility study, business study. What do you mean by feasibility? So viability of the application is determined. Okay, in a business study, we have to define some functional overview or a functional view of the project. Then functional model iteration, incremental approach. That means in a first iteration, we have to finish this much. In a second iteration, we have to finish this much. Design and build iteration, possible design and build activities can be carried out in a parallel. All the processes are done parallel. Then implementation, the software increment is placed in the working environment. Okay, that means we are trying to release our product. It will combine with XP method or ASD concept to create the combinational model. ठीक है, आपको XP इसमें लगाना है तो आप कर सकते हो. XP planning, extreme planning, and all the processes. Sorry, XP program, extreme programming. You can, if you want to implement, you can merge it with this DSDM method. And if you don't want to go with XP, but if you want ASD, then you can also add that with this DSDM model. So this is your FDD, feature driven development. So this is easy to understand using this figure. So we're not going to design in detail. Agile modeling is easy also. This is various features which is specify the purpose of model, make a use of multiple models, follow a definite path, give importance to contents and not to the presentation, understand the models and supporting tools, and adapt the locally. Then the crystal family. Okay, so this crystal method will include the frequent delivery, reflective important improvement, communication, personal safety, focus, and easy access to expert users. Okay, so in a crystal family, what we will do, we'll first decide the team size. Second is the critically, and the third, that is the priority of the project. So we'll decide the team members based upon your project. Like 6 people, that means team size is okay. Second, we are defining the critically. That means we are saying that yes, our project is in the critical stage. Then we have to define that we have to increase the project team size. Okay. Okay. This summary, that means the questions you may consider. Okay. And agile process models, extreme programming, adaptive software development, dynamic systems of system development model, scrum model, feature driven development, and agile modeling. Okay, so second chapter is finished over here. Any doubt in chapter number 2? Anywhere in the entire chapter number 2? We can also ask that type of questions may be asked, that what do you mean by agility? Explain the principle and manifesto. Then difference between agile and waterfall. Then yes, enlist your phases of models of agile and explain whatever the term. If we are saying that explain ASD and XP, or we can mention that explain what do you mean by DSDM and crystal family. So you have to explain likewise. Then enlist scrum principle in detail, so you are aware with this. Then what do you mean by sprint, what do you mean by sprint backlog, then program backlog, then the roles and responsibilities in the scrum model. So your product owner, scrum master, team members, and yes, only this man. Okay. So I would like to share one small window with you. Okay. So we'll see the details of FP and COCOMO model. Okay, only these two questions are remaining from chapter 3. Okay, that we'll discuss in next session. But the small hint for you, that is, some of the times GTU will ask or GTU will provide you this kind of table. Okay, but what is our definition? So to count that PM, okay, to count the particular project size, okay, per month, what we will follow that what is the size. So project is sorry, lines of code, that is 200k LOC. Now you have to calculate the effort, time of development, cost required, and average staff size. So how you will implement it? So you have to implement. First, you need to identify that organic model, semi-detached model, or embedded model. So accordingly, you have to verify your you can say the values. Okay. Now, what you have to do is remember this values for each model. Okay. For organic, what would be the value? For semi-detached, for embedded. Now, till this time, we didn't discuss this second one. Okay, but what is this? This is in our PPT. Okay, this we had discussed. Now what is this? A into KDSI raised to B. KDSI, that means lines of code only. This is 200. So 200 raised to B. What is the value of B? If we are following the organic model, B equals to 1.05. So 2.4 into 200 raised to 1.0.5, sorry, 1.05, that would be the person month. Then you have to that would be your effort. Okay, now you want to count this TDEV, that means time of development. So we are taking this 2.5 as a constant value till now. Okay, but if here, what do you mean by this C value and what do you mean by this D value? So in our PPT, in our table, we didn't discuss till now with this C table, sorry, D value. Okay, so if we are selecting 2.5 as a constant, then effort rests to C month. Okay, but if they will provide C and D, what it means that C into effort rests to D. So what is C? C is equals to 2.5 in any of the cases. So your 2.5 is constant, that means this is a constant C only. Effort rests to D. So D means what? 0.38. But in our PPT, we had taken this here C, that means this all the values. This values we had discussed as in C. This all are C. Okay, in our PPT. But what we will do, if they will provide A, B, C, D, then what you have to do, you just need to apply this kind of, you can say, formula, right? But this both are same. We had taken 2.5 as an constant, but here they were mentioned that C is the constant and C's value, which we had discussed, that would be provided as a D. Okay, so am I clear? कुछ चेंज नहीं करना है, दोनों सेम है, पर अगर ऐसा क्वेश्चन में दिया होगा देन डोंट बी कंफ्यूज्ड. जो हम सी सॉरी 2.5 कांस्टेंट ले रहे थे, उन लोगों ने वो एज अ सी ले लिया है यहाँ पे सेकंड वाले क्वेश्चन पे, और C की जो वैल्यू है वो D में दे दी, नथिंग मोर देन दैट, ठीक है। और अगर D नहीं दिया है, ओनली C दिया होगा, देन यू कैन सिलेक्ट दिस वन। क्लियर what I am trying to say? Is that clear for you? Give me reply, because sometimes in a GTU they may ask this A, B, C, D. Okay, what about other students? Is that clear? Okay. And it may be possible that this table will not provided in the paper. So you have to be ready with the table values. Okay, याद करके रखना सारी टेबल की वैल्यूज। जीटीयू में कई बार ऐसा भी हुआ है टेबल नहीं दिया होगा, और एफपी में भी जो बड़ा वाला टेबल है 14 वैल्यूज वाला, वो भी कई बार नहीं देते हैं वो वैल्यूज। सो यू हैव टू मग अप दोज वैल्यूज, ठीक है, याद करके ही रखना है। Okay, 19 series 2, 5,
Yes, ma'am.
8,
Yes.
10,
Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am.
16,
Yes, ma'am.
17,
Yes, ma'am.
19,
Yes, ma'am.
25, 26,
Yes, ma'am.
29,
Present, ma'am.
31,
Yes, ma'am.
34, 35,
Yes, ma'am.
38,
Yes, ma'am.
44,
Yes, ma'am.
46,
Present, ma'am.
47, 49,
Yes, ma'am.
50,
Present, ma'am.
51,
Present, ma'am.
53,
Yes, ma'am.
54, 56,
Yes, ma'am.
58,
Yes, ma'am.
65,
Yes, ma'am.
67, 68,
Yes, ma'am.
69,
Present, ma'am.
72,
Present, ma'am.
73, 82,
Yes, ma'am.
85,
Yes, ma'am.
86, sorry, 89, 91, 96,
Yes, ma'am.
100, 101,
Present, ma'am.
102,
Yes, ma'am.
103,
Yes, ma'am.
106,
Yes, ma'am.
108,
Yes, ma'am.
117,
Present, ma'am.
118,
Yes, ma'am.
119,
Yes, ma'am.
120, 121,
Yes, ma'am.
125,
Yes, ma'am.
126,
Yes, ma'am.
131, 134, 138, 141, 142,
Yes, ma'am.
144, 146,
Yes, ma'am.
147, okay, 149,
I'm 147. Yes, ma'am.
okay, 149 is also present, 150,
Yes, ma'am.
153, 120 series 1,
Yes, ma'am.
2,
Yes.
3, 4,
Present, ma'am. For present.
5,
Present, ma'am.
6, 7,
Yes, ma'am.
8, 9, 11,
Yes, ma'am.
12,
Yes, ma'am.
13, 14,
Yes, ma'am.
15, 16,
Present, ma'am.
17,
Yes, ma'am.
18,
Yes, ma'am.
19, and 20.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes, Parth, understood.
09.
Yes,
20
yes.
series.
हाँ हाँ याद से. हाँ नस बोलो. अटेंडेंस टाइम पर क्या आता? Okay, everyone may leave the session. Thank you, class. We'll see the revision of chapter number 3 in the next session. Only 2 topics are remaining from the chapter 3, FP and your that one is Kokomo model. Okay, so we'll discuss that 2 points.